Hey, coding enthusiasts! Today, let's check whether a number is a power of 2 or not using a simple Python function. We use bitwise operations to determine if the given number has only one bit set to 1. Explanation. The function isPower of 2 takes a number n as input. It first checks if the number is greater than 0 to ensure it's a positive integer. It then uses the bitwise and operator and to check if the number is a power of 2. In binary representation, powers of 2 have only one bit set to 1. For example, 2 is 10, 4 is 100, 8 is 1000, and so on. When you subtract 1 from 2 power 3, that is 8, we get 7 with binary representation as 111. All the bits to the right of the rightmost set bit become 1. The bitwise AND operation with the original number should result in 0 if it's a power of 2. Happy coding! Quote.